mix-up in our news headlines tonight. Our sign language interpreter tonight is Damian Evans. Tonight, there is a looming crisis across all the 47 counties. Kenyans are waiting to see if the devolved units heed a directive to shut down provision of services beginning tomorrow. This follows a prolonged standoff on the third-generation revenue allocation formula at the Senate. The Council of Governors now says that counties will only provide essential services. KTN's Ibrahim Karanja begins our broadcast tonight, reporting on what is now the biggest threat yet to devolution.
For most Kenyans, the standoff in the Senate over the third-generation revenue allocation formula has for long been equated to a melodrama, a cat-and-mouse game involving the country's lawmakers in the upper house. But today's developments effectively changes this perception as a reality hits home. Early Wednesday, and a virtual meeting between the Council of Governors that was also attended by Treasury CS Ukur Yatani, representatives from the Office of the Attorney General and that of the Controller of Budget, and whose agenda was a disbursement of 50% of the monies for the financial year 2019-2020, pending the resolution of the stalemate, marked the start to a crisis. All medical facilities under county governments will effectively not admit any more patients nor provide outpatient services considered non-essential. This means that persons in need of admissions in county facilities will seek alternative services from private hospitals. County ambulances will also not be available for your use.
This has been occasioned by the delay to pass the County Allocation Revenue Act 2020. Hence, a delay in disbursement of the equitable share of revenue.
Governors accusing several institutions of the failure that has led to this gridlock.
National government cannot choose which part of the law to follow and which part of the law they are to ignore.
More than 3 months into the financial year 2020-2021, county employees have continued to work and offer services, with some of them without receiving their salary.
Aside from health, Kenyans are also likely to work and live in dirty towns as garbage collection and basic sanitation will be stopped. Construction of new roads, that of new waterworks, licensing and agricultural services will also be affected. You are also likely to find all county government offices closed for 2 weeks, as a communique from the Council of Governors also instructed that all county employees proceed on leave.
Sisi tuko na watoto wadogo, tutakuwa inatusumbua sana. Hiyo ni kitu moja. Kitu ya pili, kitu kama hizo hata hiyo mochari bado unaona bado inatuaffect.
This has so far been termed as the biggest struggle yet facing devolution in Kenya. Senators have, however, vowed to reprimand any governor that will stall services at the counties. Ibrahim Karanja, KTN News.
The Big Q.